Here's Thomas in his jumper. And Thomas is going to be 6 months old in 2 days. Yeah. Hi, big boy. Are you going to be 6 months old soon? Whoa! Jumpity, jumpity, jump. Good jumping. Hi. Jumpity, 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 jump. Whoa. That is big jumping, Thomas. That's big jumping. Go, go, go. Jumpity, jump. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Let's check out those feet. Let's check out those feet. Yeah, where are they going? Are they going to go jumpity jump? Nice job. And ready? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?